that.
Was the I know I did.
Ha! Thanks for stopping by. See you real soon.
Look at this.
Mick, Pete's stealing the whole dang swimming hole. You can't do that.
Hey, there ain't no law against stealing.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, look, he even kicked out all the little critters, Mick.
Hey, the swimming hole's for everyone.
Not anymore. So long, losers.
Well, come on, start your summer like a swimming hole.
This eraser guy again?
Ooh, how dare they? Huh, just look what I'm going, reader.
Please sign.
That.
Ugh! He erased the R and the building just disappeared. And now the E and A. More things are disappearing.
Besides, it says so in my reader Valley. So if you don't mind.
Let's ride the train.
Not so fast, super readers. Right now, it's one train.
Uh-oh.
With my magic S's, I'll turn this train into trains!
I had a feeling he was going to say that. This is not good. Extra, extra! More man has made more trains, and now no one can ride on any of them.
حالت خوبه پاتریک؟
Oh no! Larry popped all the balloons! What are we going to do? QRS! QRS! Oh no! Rocky's in peril! An invention, boy! To the rescue!
Children, what are you doing? I told you to stay out of here. Oh, no, 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 no.
I'm trying to take a nap.
What was that? Oh no! Larry popped all the balloons! What are we going to do? Sorry! Sorry! Princess Dazzle's gonna love it! I love it! I feel like a princess! Can't see me! Can't see me! I'm so much fun myself! Whoa!